Hello everyone, and in this video I will review Monzo Flex and discuss about what is Monzo Flex, what Monzo Flex does, where to use Monzo Flex feature, payment commitment, customer experience and the conclusion. But first please subscribe to the channel. So without further ado, let's begin. What is Monzo Flex? Introduced in September 2021 by Monzo, the digital bank, Monzo Flex stands out as an installment service tailored to offer user-enhanced flexibility when settling payments for products or services. Utilizing the Flex card, you gain the ability to make payments both in physical stores and online. The unique feature lies in the option to divide your payments into three interest-free installments or opt for a more extended period, spreading the payments over 6 or 12 months with added interest. Furthermore, users can benefit from Section 75 protection on purchases conducted through the Monzo Flex card, mirroring the safeguard offered by traditional credit cards. This entails coverage for items exceeding £100 but falling below £30,000 in case of unforeseen issues such as undelivered goods or supplier bankruptcy, ensuring a refund from the card provider. What Monzo Flex does? Monzo Flex gives you a credit limit of up to £3,000. Once your application is approved, you can use the card to buy things. Then, you can either pay off the full balance in one go on your next monthly payment or split it into 3 monthly payments without any extra charges. If you need more time to pay back what you spent, you have the option to break it down into 6 or 12 months payments. However, keep in mind that you'll be charged the interest at a rate of 29% APR representative in this case. Not only can you flex at the checkout, but you can also flex a Monzo current account transaction made within the last 14 days. You can choose a payment plan for it, and Monzo will refund you the amount, deducting the initial payment. Just ensure you have enough available credit. But be aware, if you flex your current account purchases, you lose the Section 75 protection. If you initially picked a short-term payment plan but find you need more time, you can easily adjust your installment in the app. Just note that if you switch from an interest-free plan to a long-term one, you'll start incurring interest charges. To get Monzo Flex, make sure you first have a Monzo current account. If you don't already have one, simply download the Monzo app and apply for a current account. You must be at least 18 years old and have a valid ID. After setting up your current account, you can apply for Monzo Flex on your phone by scanning the QR code on the website. Monzo does a soft search to see if you are eligible, and don't worry, a soft search doesn't impact your credit score. If you are ready to move forward with the application, Monzo will then conduct a hard credit check, which does leave a mark on your credit file. Where to use Monzo Flex? The versatility of the Monzo Flex card extends to nearly all places that welcome MasterCard, even during your travels abroad. No additional fees are imposed for foreign transactions. Whether you are shopping in physical stores or online, you have the flexibility to utilize either the physical Flex card or its virtual counterpart on your phone via Apple Pay or Google Pay. Notably, there is no contactless limit when using the card. Features. Here are the distinctive features of Monzo Flex. Generous credit limit. You could be eligible for credit limit reaching £3,000 subject to your specific agreement. Flexible payment option. Opt for a hassle-free experience by spreading your payments across 3 interest-free months or choose 6 or 12 months albeit with added interest. Section 75 protection. Safeguard for eligible purchases ranging from £100 to £30,000 made on your Flex card. Convenient app usage. Easily track your installment and track transactions seamlessly through the user-friendly app. Early repayment. You can set your repayments ahead of time without incurring any extra charges. Fee-free spending worldwide. Whether you are at home or abroad, utilize your card without worrying about foreign transaction fees. Retrospective flexibility. Consider the option to flex transaction made within the last 14 days. Be aware, though, that choosing this for payments from your current account means sacrificing your Section 75 protection. Payment commitment. When you decide to split your payments, Monzo provides a clear breakdown of each payment amount and when it will be deducted from your account. It also discloses the amount of interest that will be applied. Should you wish to extend the time for repaying your balance, it's a breeze to adjust your installment using the app. Conversely, if you prefer to settle payments ahead of schedule, you can do so without facing any penalty fees. If you happen to miss a repayment, no extra charge will be imposed, but Monzo allows a 7-day window for you to catch up on the payment. If you are unable to meet this deadline, you will automatically be switched to the latest repayment plan applicable to each purchase. Given that Monzo Flex involves a form of credit, any missed payment gets reported to credit reference agency, potentially impacting your credit score. If staying on top of repayments becomes a concern, it's advisable to reach out to Monzo as early as possible. Customer experience. While specifying customer reviews for Monzo Flex are currently unavailable, Monzo as a whole earned a spot in the top 5 of our recent customer satisfaction survey. Additionally, its performance on Trustpilot is noteworthy, boasting a solid 4.2 out of 5 rating from over 28,000 reviews as of October 2023, categorizing it as a great overall rating. Users appreciate the user-friendly app as highlighted in positive comments. Some customers commend the excellent customer service. However, it's worth noting that a portion of reviewers has expressed dissatisfaction with the customer service. Conclusion. Unlike many BNPL services limited to specific retails, Monzo Flex is versatile. What's even better, there are no extra fees for transactions made in foreign currencies. Another standout feature is the Section 75 protection, which covers eligible card purchase over £100, similar to a regular credit card. Be sure to check which payment qualify for this extra safeguard, especially for significant purchases. However, keep in mind that as Monzo Flex involves credit, your credit score may be influenced by how well you handle repayments. Also, if you choose to split payments over 6 or 12 months, the interest rate is relatively high, making your purchase potentially more expensive. In such cases, it might be worth considering a 0% purchase credit card as an alternative. Monzo Flex Pros. Choose to distribute payments over time. Steer clear of currency conversion fees when making international purchases, no yearly membership fee. Monzo Flex Cons, relatively elevated interest charges, eligible card purchase benefit from Section 75 protection. And there we have it. If you find this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.